Hello, hi, welcome to Grammatic, where language meets logic. Our main motive is helping students simplify concepts and shine confidently. So let's go deeper into this recording and presentation. In this video, I will take you through our complete English learning journey, carefully designed for students of all levels, whether you are just getting started or preparing for advanced communication and exams. Grammatic has something for you. So let's see what's the complete learning plan from beginners to advanced. This is the agenda where I'll be covering things like why learn English with Grammatic team, level wise breakdown, add-ons and learning support from our end to users, how Grammatic makes English easy. So first of all, we'll see why choose Grammatic for English. At Grammatic, we focus on practical English that learners can actually use. Our method builds a strong foundation, simplifies grammar, and develops real world fluency step by step. We offer structured learning in 3 levels like beginner, intermediate, and advanced. Let's explore what each level includes. So, first comes the beginner level. This level is perfect for students new to English or needing a strong base. We cover basic grammar like nouns, pronouns, verbs, and simple tenses. You will learn how to form simple sentences, improve your vocabulary, and read short texts with understanding. We also introduce basic spoken English like greetings and everyday questions. So, here, this is a beginner level where you'll be starting from very zero to advanced. Then comes the intermediate level. At this stage, we dive deeper into grammar like tenses, prepositions, sentence building. You will expand your vocabulary with idioms, synonyms, antonyms, and practical words. We practice paragraph and essay writing, reading comprehension, spoken English in real scenarios like storytelling and interviews. Then comes the advanced level. This is ideal for learners preparing for exam or professional fluency. We tackle advanced grammar topics like reported speech, conditionals, and passive voice. There's a strong focus on creative and analytical writing, complex reading tasks, and public speaking. We also get access to exam style mock test and feedback. These were the different levels where we will be learning English with Grammatic. Then, what are the learning support or add ons we will be giving for you? Every student at Grammatic gets access to weekly worksheet, feedback sessions, and supportive peer group. You can learn through live classes or recorded lessons. We also offer personal mentoring and monthly progress report. So, after having assignments and assessments, there will be progress report as well, so that you can be uh, concluded or you should know where you are in the journey of learning English. So, also, we have a feedback sessions where you will be clearing all your doubts and you will be moving forward with your own confidence. So, how Grammatic makes English easy, or why Grammatic is unique from other learning platforms? We blend visuals, quizzes, and real life examples to make English easy and engaging. Our focus is not just to knowing the rules, but using English confidently in real life. Also, it is very flexible because it's a live class or recording. You can just log in and use the recordings whenever you want. Then, personal doubt clearing sessions will be always there so that your doubts will be cleared. And as I said, once the assignment and assessment is done, the progress reports will be given so that you know where you are belonging in the journey of this English learning. So, whether you are just beginner or aiming for exam excellence, Grammatics English program will support your growth every step of the way. Book your free trial class today. and the link is in given description. So join Grammatic and transfer your English fluency today. I hope this gives a complete idea for you why you should choose Grammatic and how the what's the learning platform, what is the detailed step by step learning we will be giving for English in Grammatic. If you have any doubts, if you want to give a feedback, or if you want any inquiries regarding the Grammatic English part or English subject, you can feel free and have a chat with us, or you can just text me back, or you can just click in the link below and you can give the feedback. If you have any other doubts too, I'm here to clear it. So have a nice day. Thank you. I see forward to see you in the class. Thank you. Have a nice day.